The 2025 Daewoo Espero is making a bold comeback with a modern design, advanced technology, and improved performance. This new version of the classic sedan has been upgraded to meet the demands of the modern market while maintaining its reputation for reliability and affordability. The exterior features a sleek and aerodynamic body with a refreshed front grille, stylish LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that adds to its dynamic presence. The streamlined design enhances both aesthetics and fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for daily commuting and long drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Daewoo Espero is expected to offer multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a 1.6-liter diesel variant. These engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission for a smooth and responsive driving experience. The power output ranges between 120 to 150 horsepower, providing a balance of performance and efficiency. The advanced fuel injection system ensures optimal fuel economy, making the Espero an economical option in its segment. The interior of the 2025 Daewoo Espero has been completely revamped with modern technology and premium materials. The cabin features a spacious layout with high-quality upholstery and ergonomic seating for maximum comfort. A 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard, offering smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system also includes voice recognition, navigation, and wireless charging for added convenience. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information, enhancing the driving experience with a futuristic touch. Safety has been a priority in the 2025 Daewoo Espero, with multiple advanced driver assistance features. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The car also comes with a 360-degree camera and parking sensors, making maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. With a reinforced chassis and multiple airbags, the Espero ensures maximum protection for both the driver and passengers. Comfort and convenience are enhanced with a dual-zone climate control system, ambient lighting, and a premium sound system. The seats are available with heating and ventilation functions, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The rear seats offer ample legroom and a foldable armrest, making long journeys more comfortable. The large boot space provides enough room for luggage, making it an ideal sedan for families and travelers. The 2025 Daewoo Espero is expected to come in multiple trims, catering to different customer preferences. The base variant offers essential features with an affordable price tag, while the top-end variant includes luxury upgrades such as leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced connectivity options. With a competitive price range, the Espero is set to compete with popular sedans in the market, offering a perfect balance of style, technology, and performance. The ride quality of the 2025 Daewoo Espero has been enhanced with improved suspension and precise steering control. The car absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and comfortable drive. Whether on city roads or highways, the Espero provides a stable and confident driving experience. The noise insulation has been improved, reducing outside disturbances and enhancing overall cabin comfort. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Espero is designed to deliver impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for daily use. The lightweight body structure and aerodynamic design contribute to reduced fuel consumption, while the hybrid variant, if introduced, could further enhance efficiency. With rising fuel prices, the Espero's fuel-saving technology makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Daewoo has also focused on sustainability by incorporating eco-friendly materials in the interior and improving the recyclability of components. The brand aims to meet global emission standards while providing an engaging and enjoyable driving experience. With its combination of modern features, stylish design, and reliable performance, the 2025 Daewoo Espero is a strong contender in the sedan segment. Whether you are looking for a family car, a daily commuter, or a stylish sedan with advanced features, the Espero offers something for everyone. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest cars, reviews, and automotive trends.